and welcome to Guide Glimpse.
In this video, we will talk about Deel app. Deel is an online platform that helps businesses hire people from different countries and pay them easily. It takes care of contracts, taxes and international payments. Here the companies don't have to worry about the legal or money problem. It's really helpful for remote teams and freelancers. Okay, so now let's talk about how it works. Here on the dashboard you can see your balance and you can see your contracts. Here you can see all your contracts and the balance you have. And from here you can also go and you can withdraw. If you are a client and want to assign any project to a freelancer, you can go and you can click on your left side, create a contract. By creating a contract, you can assign your work to the freelancers. Here you can do the payment in 3 ways. You can either create a fixed contract or you can go with a pay as you go, like an hourly contract, and you can also go with milestone contract as well. Here you have all these 3 types available. Here you have this compliance and documentation where you have to upload your documentation for verification. Here in the invoices you can see that how much amount you have received from which client in detail. Next, here you have transition where you can see upcoming payment that mostly take 2-3 days for clearance, and second here you can see is the transition history. Here you have parks as well and insurance. Here you can go and you can get started with their health insurance. Moreover, here you have taxes. Many companies in USA include taxes, so you can see the detail here of all the tax that you have paid. Now let's talk about its pros. It supports hiring and paying worker in 150 plus countries, which is great if your team is global. And here you have multi-payment options and currencies, so paying people across border is easier. Here you have good integration with other HR, accounting and payroll software. This app is built-in tool for compliances, like it helps deal with local labor laws, taxes and contracts. So you don't have to start from scratch in every country. Now let's talk about the cons. Pricing can get expensive, especially if you have many employees or contractors in many countries. Some features may be locked behind higher tiers or may require add-on, so that the basic package might not cover everything you need. Deel is the best app if you run a business that hire employees or contractors internationally, deal with compliances, payroll across borders. So with Deel, you don't have to worry about all these things, and if all these things fits you, then Deel is best for you.
If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.